and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC. I'm Erin Wheelock, your favorite global realtor of choice, I'm sure, but I'm so excited. So today we are going to be back out in Brooklyn in Cobble Hill, to be specific, where we are checking out a two-family. It's a little bit under 4,400 square feet. It has been gut renovated, I'm told, and how exciting. Robert and Virginia, who are the listing agents on this property, have given me permission to go inside and take a look around. I was gonna say for me, but it's actually for you. So without any further ado, why don't we go check out this stunning renovation and see if they can maybe, I don't know, let us live here for a bit? Let's go. I'm so excited to show you this unbelievably gorgeous, fully renovated 18th century stunning two-family, or used as a one-family. Look at this. I mean, if you want the wow factor in your own townhouse, this is where you get it. 21-foot ceilings. I mean, you could do whatever you want in here. Get a trampoline. No, but the truth is you should be entertaining in here, or you should be enjoying your space in here. Look at all the original detail that they have. The original shutters, right? And wood burning fireplace. Something else that I want to mention is that they put in and they are using geothermal technology. It is, I think it's kind of like a sexy way to sustainably keep your home going, right? They have all of the floors are heated with it. And then you also have all of your water is purified 4 times. Tell me that this kitchen doesn't just make you feel happy. I mean, come on. The colors they chose, I feel like this is why you live over in Brooklyn, because you're gonna get home from the hustle and bustle, or you're going to work from home. But honestly, this is probably one of the first places that I've ever stepped into where you feel from the inside like you could be in a fabulous neighborhood outside of New York City. But in reality, we are in the heart of Brooklyn, in the heart of Cobble Hill. You just don't get this beautiful, wonderful, peaceful feeling. I mean, I might be in Cape Cod, I don't know. It's so nice and relaxing. And look at all of these finishes. Of course, this home is completely done with all of the technologies, built-in speakers, your Nest systems, your other systems, lights, etc. No expense was spared in this renovation. And even look at the finishes. Now, I know we've spoken about gas. If you want gas, you better find one with it. Can we talk about this view? I don't know about you, but if I was watching my vegetables and cutting them up to cook some beautiful dinner for guests, family, whatever, whoever, everyone, the whole neighborhood, because you're so happy living here, I would want to do it to this view. Plus, they were very smart. They renovated it with the full irrigation system, so you don't have to worry about that greenery. If you're like me, don't have a green thumb, might kill something, it's okay because you're not in charge of watering it, the irrigation system is. And let's be honest, right? We'd be hiring someone to do it anyways, but this just makes it a little bit easier. And then, can we talk about this stunning nook over here? Oh, I don't know about you, but I love a good book. A good book. When it's cold outside and when it's not cold outside, you can just hop up and go outside and enjoy this stunning, stunning light. Again, because we're in between the block, because we have all of these trees behind us, you get the greenery, and since it's wide enough, you still get the light. And the higher up you go in the home, you're gonna see even more light. It is truly so special. And I know I'm gonna talk about it a lot, but this wallpaper is amazing. Why change anything here? Literally bring your toothbrush. It's so great. Okay, so now let's show you downstairs, which has its own private entrance. And again, they have this staircase because they do use it as a single family, but this is a legal 2-family, which is great. Now you have options. So this way you'll see that this is not only a fabulous 2-family, but they have made this floor just as fabulous as the rest of the place. You can easily fit a king-size bed. It's great, again, if you have older children, guests, parents, whoever's coming to visit, you can just set them down here and they're gonna be self-sufficient. Why? Because not only do we have the bedroom, we also have a kitchenette and the full bath. Now, I know we often talk about not making people too comfortable because we don't want them to stay forever, and that's why it's a kitchenette. Beautifully done, right? But if we give them a full-size fridge, freezer, pack it with great stuff, they're never gonna leave. This way, a kitchenette means, hello, I love you, you're welcome to stay for a while. And when the food runs out, you can leave. I'm kidding. They wouldn't wanna leave. Hello, look at this amazing living room area. Yeah, you're not getting rid of anyone here, so I take everything I just said back. And then again, that gorgeous outdoor space that we spoke about. This floor, just like the other floors, I can't say it enough because it's so exciting, is also heated. So when you come inside from a beautiful day outside, or if it's getting a little bit chilly, you can come in to this warm, beautiful home. Also, like, how cute is this? Oh my gosh. I don't think I want to leave. It's so cute. So good. So well done. So well done. Okay, so now we come up to this gorgeous second floor. Now, you might remember originally that there was those huge 21-foot ceilings in the living area. Well, it comes into this fantastic office space. You can actually close these if you want to, make it a little bit more private for yourself, or leave it open and be inspired. I mean, who wouldn't love to just sit here, work, be inspired, turn around? Ugh, I'm inspired just standing here. Again, we have that geothermal, which is fantastic technology. And this is what they are currently using for their primary. I just love their wallpaper throughout. And one thing I have to say, look, things like that are cosmetic. You can redo anything. However, when someone has such amazing taste, why would you, right? Yeah. Talking about good taste, can we talk about this bathroom? I won't get in, although I really want to. But the truth is, that's where you should take a bath. If you're gonna be a bath person, that's where you should take a bath. But look at this, 3 windows, you have trees right outside of you. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this bathroom. And now, just to make us a little bit more obsessed, look at this outdoor space. I mean, hello, take a look at it. You are looking over the middle of the street, right? Because we're on Clinton, but we're on the middle of the block. So you go straight down the middle of the street. Where else do you get these fantastic views from your own townhouse in the middle of Cobble Hill? I'll tell you, nowhere, nowhere, here. So I gotta come here. Ah, obsessed. And can we talk about this amazing 3rd floor? All right, that outdoor space right here, unbelievable. You don't get that a lot in townhouses. So there is a 1st bedroom on this floor with beautiful closet space and tall ceilings, which again, you don't always get in townhouses. It has its own laundry room. I know we always talk about it, how you just have to be grateful in some homes that you have laundry, but having your own laundry room with all the storage space, etc. I mean, how can it be any better than that? Now, up here, we also have this other beautiful room, which could be your primary if that's what you wanted, especially with the fabulous bathroom right next to it. But this top floor is gorgeous. You still get the outdoor space. You also get those heated floors on this floor as well, so can't go wrong. Now, if you like this, be sure to send this to someone you know who might be looking to relocate to Cobble Hill. We would love to bring them by and have Robert show us around. Bye, guys. Wow, that was an absolutely amazing tour that we just got. What a stunning townhouse. Now, if you are thinking about moving over here to Brooklyn, I gotta tell you, this might be the right place for you. So be sure to reach out. I'm sure Robert would love to get us back in. And of course, we at the Wheelock team would love to be your real estate team of choice. Bye, guys.